Morning, my people. It is morning here in Canada, and I've decided to make this recipe in the morning. It is lemon and orange and cucumber. It is something which is good. It helps with diabetes and high blood pressure for those ones who are suffering from high blood pressure and diabetes. And also, it's good for weight loss. So, guys, let's get into it and make it and see how it goes. So I'm gonna wash them, as you can see, and then I haven't taken anything since morning. So in the morning, so I'm gonna take this one first. It is something, it is to be taken in an empty stomach. So after this, after finish, then I'll go and work out, guys. I'm taking you along with me. So let's do this, my people. You cut a half of lemon and a half of orange. You see, just a little. It is so effective, guys. Try it and you'll know why I'm saying this. I'm living healthy. I can work out, and yet I'm in my 50s, and you cannot tell. That's why I'm trying to live healthy and to eat healthy so that I may not have problems with my knees, with high blood pressure, with HIV, with diabetes. That's why I have to take good care of myself. So guys, you can join me. Whoever feels that is having these problems, please join me so that we can all live a healthy life. Cucumber is also good in burning fats. So it's not just sweet, but it's good for our health. So I'm gonna blend it, then I come back. Now this is it. Cucumber should be the first thing to enter in your stomach first thing in the morning, in an empty stomach, not first thing in the morning. It should be, you should take it in an empty stomach, okay? This is me now, guys, in my basement. Just wanna rock it with the machine. Today I'm doing chest, not cardio, but I normally do a lot of cardio, kickboxing, and so forth and many more. So guys, whoever will be joining me will be seeing me doing different types of exercise. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and whoever like to join me can join me in this journey, and let us live a healthy life, and let us continue loving ourselves. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.